So it's $250, so don't abuse them. Clean them, you're gonna clean them regularly, inside, just like I just did, and occasionally wash them with a garden hose. We're gonna put that one back in, it's gonna sit down, press it down. HEPA filter, 250 bucks. It is non-cleanable. Once it's clogged, we throw it away. How does it get clogged? I don't clean my main filter. More debris comes through, gets in here, clogs it up, causes the machine to work harder. Eventually this gets so clogged up, the machine suffers and the motors fail. And then this just simply sits on top and locks down with these little